Hello and good morning. I'm just going to give you a quick walking tour of the hotel. This is not a room review, it's just to give you an idea of the grounds and what to expect. So in front of us here we've got the main pool area. I'm filming now in June, so it is low season. I've just had a walk around the hotel and it seems to be relatively quiet. This is say the main pool, but there doesn't seem to be anyone here at the moment. There is a pool bar here, but it looks to be closed. Just quick rules and regulations on this. Let you get a quick look at those. Here we go, beer promotion. Buy two and get one free all day. Okay, so you have rooms all around here at the hotel. Plenty of some lounges. Just bring you up to the pool smoke bar area. As you can see at the moment, it is closed, but it is quite big. So I should imagine there's plenty of spaces here to sit in high season when it is busy. Okay, I'll just walk you through. The accommodations do seem to be more bungalow types, with like garden walkthroughs with little ponds with fish in. You can certainly hear the nature here. The birds tweeting. Very quiet. The weather this time of year, the start of June, can be quite unpredictable. It can be either very stormy or it can be blistering sunshine. I've been in the Khao Lak area now for, this is my third week in the area, and we've had everything from thunder and lightning to torrential downpours to blistering sunshine, so it's quite a mixed bag. Yet again, most days it's been in the 30s. It's not dropped below 30 yet. When it's overcast, it is lovely to get on the beach and get the sea breeze and walk down on the beach. When the sun's out, it can be a bit hot. This is located right next to, well, on the beach, and behind is the night market. So you are located in a quite good spot for nighttime entertainment if you want to get out of the hotel. There's plenty of restaurants, bars, shops directly behind the hotel. So it's a good location if you do want to get out and about. I'll just walk you through this way. It's very peaceful here. As you can see, they've created like a pond system with fish in. Okay, head back towards the beach now. There's another small pool located at the front of the hotel on the beach, not as big as the main pool. The beach itself is quite limited, there's not a lot of space on the beach. I will show you a shot of it, but the tide comes right in. But you can walk to the left of the hotel. And there's quite a vast space of beach, and the beach goes miles and miles and miles, so you can go for a nice walk. Reception, spa treatment, massages from $4.50, quite reasonable. They are cheaper further back on the main street. You can get a massage for $300, but for convenience and it being by the pool, it's not much extra to pay, to be honest. I'll just whiz through there. There you go. Just a quick overview of the hotel and its grounds. The restaurant here. should imagine in high season there'll be sun lounges all across here. And then just to show you the beach itself. As you can see, the beach here is quite limited. But as you do go further down, you have a massive stretch of beach all the way to the far bay, which is probably a good hour walk. And it's well worth it. Okay, so if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It's nice to see how establishments, hotels look rather than just what you see in the brochures, which can be sometimes a little bit misleading. So this is filmed June 2024. Okay, thank you for watching.